Okay! Hi everyone, my name is Roxy and I'm about to do something that is very American, I feel. I'm gonna go on a road trip. Guys, I'm so excited! I'm gonna go on my first West Coast road trip. In Europe, in Italy, I don't think road trips are as common, and I only ever did one road trip in my life. I went from LA to the Grand Canyon in Arizona, and that's it, and it was fantastic. It was like a 3-day trip, but this is gonna be a longer trip. I'm gonna go from LA to Seattle, and it's gonna be like a week or something like that, so I'm very excited, and I'm going with my friends. So I need your help because today I'm trying to pack and I always have this feeling that I'm forgetting something. So I decided to just film it and you guys tell me if I'm forgetting something, especially if I'm forgetting something important. Also, I'm gonna divide this video today. I'm gonna show you everything that I'm packing for, like bathroom essentials and some makeup and stuff like that. And then in the next episode, I wanna show you what electronics and camera equipment I'm bringing, and also the apps and the websites that I used to plan this road trip that came out very cheap on a budget, guys. And I think this is gonna be very helpful if some of you wants to do a similar road trip. I'm gonna share all the resources in these videos and in the description box. Also today, I'm gonna show you what I packed already, and in the description box I'm gonna put a checklist PDF, because I mean this stuff is good for any kind of trip, I feel, and lists are always useful. Also, after I share with you what I'm packing and how I plan this trip, I'm gonna start a series on my channel about this trip, and I'm very excited about it, because it's not gonna be a normal vlog, just follow me around type of video. I wanna set it kind of like a web series slash reality slash, I don't know, I guess it's still like a vlog, but I wanna put more stuff in it. In every episode you're gonna follow me around, yes, but also get a challenge, an adventure, a game and stuff like that, and you're gonna really see more of my life and how I interact with my friends, and I'm super excited about it. I always wanted to do something like that, but I've always been kind of like afraid, because of course it's like another style of editing and filming and stuff, and you need to commit a lot. And also I was on the fence because it would be the first time I do a series in which I don't speak all the languages. This road trip is in America, all my friends are Americans and they speak English, so I'm not gonna translate everything in Italian and Spanish, but I'm gonna put subtitles for sure in Italian and Spanish, and I hope you guys won't mind that I'm not translating everything. I really wanna capture as much as I can during the day, just how it happens, and also if I'm gonna say something in Italian, I'm gonna say it in Italian, just subtitle it, it's the same. Let me know what you guys think, and also I hope you guys are gonna help me promote this series, because I'm very excited about this. This is not sponsored, I'm doing everything by myself, but if this series goes well, maybe somebody is gonna help me out, bringing something similar to your country, and I can meet you guys, and this would be a dream come true. So now that I said everything, let's start with the stuff that I need to pack. So first of all, I made this little bag, and in this I put all my contact lenses essentials, okay, because I wear contact lenses and I always forget something, so I put the contact lenses. I'm gonna bring an extra pair, of course I'm gonna also bring the ones that are in my eye now, and then I put the glasses that I always forget. I put the liquid of the contact lenses, eye drops, case, and hand sanitizer, because guys, when you put and you remove your contacts, you have to wash your hands, or you're gonna put your germs in your eye or in the case, and then you're gonna get the lens and you're gonna put it in your eye and put the germs in your eye, and it's dangerous. And I think that's it. Next, I have this little pouch that I always bring everywhere, not only on my trips, because this is all the teeth essentials. And when I'm out all day, I like to bring this, because if I eat out the stuff, I wanna clean my teeth. So I have mouthwash, toothpaste, a little toothbrush, chopstick, and floss, guys. Remember to floss is very very important. Every day you floss, okay? Next, so this bigger bag is for the rest of the stuff that I think I need. So I put deodorant, sunscreen. I love this. This is from Pacifica. It's a spray and it absorbs super fast. SPF 30. I love it. Water resistant. Next, I have this cream. This is also from Pacifica and it's a day and night cream. So 2 in 1. I just have to bring this and I'm done. And I like this method. I think it's very hygienic. I just go like this and I don't have to touch it and it's awesome. Next, my other favorite brand is Derma E and I have their oil. This oil is for the skin, the hair and the nails. So 3 in 1. Perfect. And I usually use this on my face and also to melt my makeup. It works very well. And then I have this is a toner mist. Fantastic. And that's it. What else do I have to bring? Oh, I don't know if I should bring soap and maybe a sponge, a loofah or something, right? And maybe shampoo. I don't have those. I need to bring it. I need to bring it, right? Yes, I need to. Okay, so I'm missing that. Add it on my list. Tell me in the comments so I remember, okay? And then I have this. This is a bag totally, completely, uniquely, exclusively dedicated to wet wipes. Because I'm a wet wipes maniac, guys. I have all the types of wet wipes you can imagine. So we have some antibacterial wet wipes, and then I have this one from Pacifica. Some are makeup removers and some are for just cleaning your face. And then I have this is feminine cleansing cloths, cause you know you need this too. And that's it. This is kind of like everything I pack for my bathroom. We know I'm missing soap. I need soap. I'll add it. What do you guys think? Am I missing something else? I was also thinking of bringing alcohol. This is 50% isopropyl. I don't know how you say it, alcohol. But I think if I adventure in this, then I have to bring band-aids, a kit, a survival, something. I think it's too much. I think I'm gonna be okay without alcohol. What do you guys think? It feels like not the secret. It feels like something that a paranoid person would do, and I don't want to attract me hurting myself, and I need alcohol for it, so I think I'm gonna leave it at home. Let's talk about makeup. Okay, so I need minimal stuff because it's a road trip, right? So I want to put minimum makeup and be done with it. So I'm just bringing one primer, one face primer, my foundation. Everything is cruelty-free and vegan, by the way. Okay, so my primer is Smashbox, my foundation is Kat Von D. Then I have, I'm bringing this palette because it has bronzers and powders, so I just have to bring this. Then I have one blush somewhere. I have one blush, and this is a palette with highlighters that I feel that is unnecessary for a road trip, but I think I'm gonna end up bringing it. Then I have my eyebrow pencil from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I have one eye primer. I'm gonna bring only one eye palette, and this is the Too Faced Matte Eye, which is discontinued, and it was vegan and cruelty-free, and it has like neutral color, so I think this is useful. And then I'm bringing mascara, eyeliner, only one lip product, and this is basically the color of my lips, so I think it's useful. The setting spray, this one too is a little extra. And then I'm bringing this little thing that has my eyelashes and the tweezers and the glue, and that's it. Well, and then literally 5 brushes to put on my face this stuff, and that's it. Am I forgetting something important? Ladies or guys that are wearing makeup, or non-binary people. Oh, also I'm bringing my beauty blender, but let me know if I'm forgetting something. I think that's it. Okay, so in the next video I'm gonna talk about electronics and how I planned, what apps I used to do this road trip on a budget. And then in the first episode of the series you're gonna see all my snacks, drinks and car setup. I'm so excited. I hope you guys will support this series and this idea. I'm very excited. Let me know where you're gonna go for this summer, if you're are planning a vacation, where you're going. Is it a road trip? Are you going with the airplane? Let me know everything. I say hi to all these people who send me cute messages, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Mwah! Roxyrockstv, Roxyrockstv.
Roxyrockstv, Roxyrockstv. You are watching Roxyrockstv, watching Roxyrockstv.